Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. It keeps me going and helps me bring you fresh, useful content every single time. Today I've got something really exciting for you, especially if you work with spreadsheets and reports often. Imagine turning your Google Sheets into live dashboards powered by AI in just minutes, no code, no setup pain. Yep, let me introduce you to fabi.ai, a powerful platform that brings AI superpowers to your spreadsheets. Why fabi.ai? Now let me ask you this. How often do you and your team work on Excel or Google Sheets and just keep updating rows without really gaining any insight from the data? That's a huge problem. The data just sits there, unused. No charts, no answers, just raw numbers. That's exactly the problem fabi.ai solves. How it works. Fabi lets you connect your spreadsheet, whether it's Google Sheets, Excel, or even a SQL database, and turns it into a smart dashboard. It understands your data structure, analyzes trends, and gives you insightful summaries, visual reports, and even explanations, all powered by AI. It's like having your own personal data analyst working around the clock. Sample use case, movie dataset. Let me show you a quick example. I uploaded a sample movie dataset, just a basic spreadsheet with movie titles, release years, budgets, and revenues. I started by filtering the data to analyze films released in, say, 1920, and immediately, Fabi gave me a complete breakdown of revenue trends, budget comparisons, and performance summaries. Then I ran the filter for 1930, and again, it generated meaningful insights within seconds. But here's something really cool. When I analyzed the year 2002, Fabi highlighted a top-performing title, The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. Year 2002. Revenue, highest in the dataset for that year. Fabi didn't just list the data. It understood the dataset, analyzed it, and pulled out the highest revenue-generating film for that year, all automatically. That's not just filtering. That's AI-powered storytelling from your data. AI-powered insights. The real magic is in the AI. Fabi can answer natural questions like, what was the highest revenue year? Which movie had the biggest budget? Compare average revenue by decade. It doesn't just display charts, it actually interprets your data and gives you summaries, context, and meaning. And yes, you can collaborate in real time with teammates on these insights. Integration power. Fabi.ai isn't just limited to spreadsheets. It connects seamlessly with Snowflake, PostgreSQL, BigQuery, CSV and JSON files. Just connect your data source and boom, you're ready to analyze, explore, and explain your business data using AI. Smart books and workflow. Fabi uses a concept called smart books. Think of a smart book as your AI-powered reporting notebook. You can create one from scratch, plug in any data source. Let Fabi automatically generate analysis, summaries, and visualizations. You can apply filters, group by year, segment by category, and Fabi keeps learning as your data grows. You can even embed these smart books on your website or share them directly with clients and teammates. Real-time interaction. This isn't a static tool. Say you're working with a sales dataset, you can just type. Compare sales by region for 2023 and 2024. And Fabi will instantly generate a clean, interactive visual right in the dashboard. You can filter, drill down, and explore further. It feels natural and it's incredibly fast, perfect for decision makers and analysts alike. Connecting a database. Want to connect your own SQL database? Easy. Just enter host name, database name, username and password, read-only recommended. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more tools like this to help power up your workflow, reduce your manual tasks, and deliver insights that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.